Hey guys, Not So Fancy Nancy here, and I got another setup for you. A super basic, super simple van setup, and I hope it's helpful to someone out there. Anyhow, this is my Coleman Comfortsmart cot. As you know, I've got a couple boards right there, lifting it up to level it out. I've got these straps here. These are luggage straps from the dollar store, and I just put them around my 3-inch foam mattress here, right onto the frame so it stays on and there's no slippage. I also want to mention down here, you see that orange paracord? That's what I use to tie down this bed to the bottom of my front seat here, to the frame of this chair. There's a bar under there, and I slip the rope around it and I tie it super tight, the paracord I should say, and that's how I keep this end of the bed in place. Anyhow, let's go around the back here. I still have my boot on. What a drag. Da-da-da. Anyhow, this little baby table, I love it so much. I believe it's, I don't know, 3 feet by 18 inches is what I think it is. 18 wide by 36 long. It's on the very lowest setting, the setting that where the legs just flop up so you could bend the table in half. But it's got another setting there. You can see it here and here. This is just perfect for this setup in here. So I love it so much because it's really versatile. I can use it for cooking. If I were to bring my cooking things, they would go back here, of course. I can use it, as you can see, to charge my things, my battery, to put my iPad on, and as it just a little a table, a nightstand, whatever. It's perfect, and if it's right behind my bed, perfect space for it. I'd probably put my waters here. This table is just fabulous. I love it so much, and everything in my van, the links are in the description, so you can check that out. Over here, my refrigerator. As you know, this is a Bouge RV 21-quart refrigerator. It always stays here on my adventures. Underneath here, this is my Picron E600 LFP. It's a lithium-ion battery. And what's great about this particular battery is it has a 1200-watt inverter, and it runs my Keurig machine. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, that is the cat's meow. So, battery there. I should also say that this is where my trunk organizer goes, and all this space under here is for everything I bring on my trips, which is not much, as all of you know. I'm a minimal van camper, but everything I have would go underneath there. My toilet, my sleeping bag, any extra medium I have for my toilet, which I use rabbit pellets or horse pellets, it all goes under there. And I also have a small utility bin that would go under there. I might even actually put that on the other side of the battery over there. This chair, I know I talk about this chair all the time, you guys, but I am telling you, it is the cat's meow. Not only can I sit this way in it, have my feet up, whatever, I can also put this chair here and just kind of look out my door. I can also put it here and put my feet up and watch either my iPad or my computer, watch a movie or whatever. I can't even tell you how versatile this setup is. It's just perfect, and this chair really makes it because it fits in here so nicely. Now, as you see, it does lean back. Not everybody might like that, but hey, you can just stick a little camping pillow back here if you need to sit up straighter. But this chair is thebomb.com. I really, really love it. And obviously, as you know, I use it outside at bonfires too. So it's dual purpose, and that's how I roll. A lot of things that I bring, including that little black table back there, that would be dual purpose as well. It'd be for inside the van, but if I needed to do something outside the van, I would just bring it out here. It's super light, it's easy to maneuver, and then when I got done, I'd put it back. Another thing I wanted to touch base on, you know, I don't use table covers or things just to bring more stuff in my van. I like everything just plain like this because I can easily wash it down. I don't have to keep a table cover and, you know, then it gets dirty and then I gotta wash it and all that jazz. Less is more, man. Less is more. So, anyhow, this setup is super, super simple, and you don't have to have exactly that kind of bed or even that kind of chair. It's the layout I want to show you. These are the types of things that you can do in these vans, and maybe you'll have a little smaller table that might be even half the size that you could put behind here. Use your imaginations. What do you have in the house? What can you get at the thrift stores? I'm telling you right now, the thrift stores are the best. You can find so much for van camping. And that is all. Oh, yep, I did leave this rug in here. This is that rug. I did put it in the descriptions. Just somebody asked me, so I went ahead and put it in there. I don't even use this in my van normally, but maybe I'll start. It is quite cozy. I use that in the house at the front door in the winter when people come in with their shoes, because we have wood floors and it just helps just to keep the shoes off the floor. Anyhow, we don't wear shoes in the house anyway, but nonetheless, it just protects the floor. Anyhow, you know, this is where I keep my shoes. This is my utility area. My utility bin might go back here, but my trunk organizer with all my clothes and things would go there. And up in the front seat, as you know, this is where I have storage. My jackets normally hang right there. It's my backpack. And down there on the floor, there's nothing right now, but I keep extra shoes down there. I keep extra water down there. Anything that I need out of the way. Things that I just don't want laying around. Another thing I want to add is these vans have these little anchors on both sides. Right there and there. So the bed frame, I will get another paracord and I will wrap it around the bed frame, these table legs right here. So it'll be paracord that will be looped through here with like a little loopy knot thingy. Wrapped around here, wrapped around there. It'll come straight back to here. I won't have it all crisscrossing. I'll wrap it around there, here, and it'll come back to here. That's how I strap things in. I just use paracord. But it works well. The table will be intact. The battery will go on the floor. You know, everything kind of gets put away when you're in travel mode. You know that. Anyhow, what do you think of this setup? Let me know in the comments, please. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, just lay them on me. I'm glad to connect with you. One more thing I want to add is that this bed is 15 inches tall. So my trunk organizer, which is the drive trunk organizer, it's in my description. It fits under here wonderfully. And I know it's lifted up right here, but even if it wasn't lifted up right here and this was down here, that trunk organizer would fit under there perfectly. I believe it's 11 or 12 inches high. The drive trunk organizer, and as you know, it pulls in and out, and I like open top things for my storage. But that's that. And the mattress, I should say, is 3 inches custom cut at the foam factory. I had that cut, and it's so much more comfortable than the little flimsy mat that comes with it. And that's that. And if this is too short for you guys, some of you, I mean, they make these cots like 72 inches or maybe even longer, I don't know. But if that were to be the case, you might have to raise the black table back here, which would be fine because you'd have to be able to get your feet underneath there. You might want to center this over a little bit because you'd have this thing here. But if you centered this over, or maybe even just put it all the way over here, raise the table up, you'd still be able to use this table and have a longer cot in here. So that's a thought as well. But anyhow, that's it, guys. Just wanted to pop on and show you this very simple setup. And again, whatever works for you, whatever you have at home, use it, you know. Get it together, get your van in order, and get on the road. All right, guys, that's it. You have a fabulous day. I will catch you later. Until next time.